In meta-analysis, the samples and studies are not random nor are they unbiased. Sometimes these samples have a hard time making it to the researcher for review. They typically end up on the researcher's desk, never touched, never looked at, and then they're discarded. And this is called file drawer syndrome. The findings that have a statistical higher, a more significant relationship between variables have a better chance of being looked at by the researcher as opposed to a one-tailed and two-tailed research. This is because meta-analysis are usually going to be a biased sample. This means that a sample in meta-analysis will probably contain an excessive larger amount of studies that were effective and a small number of studies that were not as effective. When we look at choosing a statistical analysis, the parametric can be ruled out for a meta-analysis due to the lack of random sampling. Also, some studies may reveal that they are still different in a greater or lesser degree in research designs. So the book talks about how we should handle these. Does both studies, the one greater and lesser degree in designs, get treated equally? Or does the greater one take priority over the lesser one? Just because one study has a larger sample does not mean it is better or more significant than the one with a smaller sample. So, is one better than the other? Well, researchers have different points of view when it comes to deciding which one is better, or if it is better. Some researchers like the qualitative method, while others prefer the quantitative method. It all depends on the researcher.